Good evening. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the percent facility on Excel. So as standard, all Excel sheets are hit to general. So if I click in the corner, top left hand corner between A and 1, I right click, I go to format cells, I can see that the number category is sitting on general. So I've got two choices. I can either change all of them to read percentage. I get a choice of the decimals. I can hit OK, and wherever I write in the sheet, so if I put a 5 here, it'll immediately go percent. I go over here and I put a 7, it'll go 2%. Right, I'm just going to go back to before it was a percentage. If I write 5 over here and I write 7 over here, and I want these to be percentages, I highlight column I. There's a short key at the top here under the general, on the home tab under general. I hit the percentage key, straight away they go to 500% and 700%. If I want 5%, I've got to go back in and type 7 and 5. Now 5% in a number is 0.05. So 0.05 and 0.07 in J are under general. I now go and hit these into percentages. They will then change into 5% and 7%. So obviously 5 is 500 and 7 is 700. That's why it does that. If I want to add a decimal to these, next to the percent button on the right hand side there is a left arrow and a right arrow. The right arrow is to decrease the decimals, show fewer decimal places. The one on the left is increase them. So now I'm on the 5, I hit the button as many times as I want, and so the column will also get wider by however many you do. Then I can reduce the percentages, sorry, the decimals, and the same thing applies to here. Okay, so if I've got 5.62 and here I've got 7.1234567 I hit the enter key. Because this was set at one decimal, I know the answer, as you can see in the top bar here, is 5.62. We're only going to see 5.6 because it's rounded up. If I hit the increase decimal, it goes to 5.62. One more will produce a 0, and there we go. So we know that the cell is at 5.62. In this case, 7.1235, obviously rounded up. The actual number is 7.1234567 So over here, go and increase the decimals, and so you can see the 0 will appear after your last one. If I decrease, it goes down to 123.12, 1, and obviously 7 like that. So nice and easy for percentages. Remember, if you want to change a cell that wasn't in percentages, you can either click the top over here, or you can right click and select format cells and select percentage like I've done here. Thanks very much. Cheers.